Hi YouTubers, today we're going to be talking about Alison.com, one of the biggest free learning sites on the actual web. Please do stay tuned. At the end, I'll tell you a little bit more about their friends and family program. Thank you. Hi YouTubers, welcome back to this week's edition of Lakeland Learning. We're still going to be discussing today Alison.com. We're going to move on to their second category, which is languages. So we're just going to discuss the relevance and the benefits of having these actual skills. So with Alison.com, they do cover quite a few different languages that you could use. I mean, obviously we're discussing English, with English being possibly one of the main languages used for business and technology. Also as well, we're looking at getting a course on Spanish. Specifically, I mean, with this Spanish course, that can be relevant obviously for South America, some parts of Africa, and obviously some parts of the US. Then we move on to German, obviously one of the major European languages, which are going to be very beneficial if you do work within the EU. Obviously Irish language, Gaelic is one of the actual tongues that are spoke within the actual Irish communities. Obviously French, that will be relevant again if you do work within the EU. A lot of countries also as well, certain parts of Canada work with the French language, such as Quebec and other sort of French speaking parts of Canada. Obviously from the point of view of industry and business, the major movers now will be China. Obviously the productivity with businesses, with the steel industries, all the other sort of industries that work with everything from mobile phones and onwards. Then we've got the Arabic tongues, the Arabic language that you do speak within Dubai, Arab Emirates, other areas such as that. There is large communities right across the world of Arabic speaking people. Then we talk about Scandinavia, one of the major Scandinavian sort of languages, Swedish. And then finally we look at another industrial power, Japan. Obviously everything from the motor industry, also as well IT, and relevant right across the world. Okay YouTubers, well thank you very much for listening this week. Just need to see you click on the subscribe button, and please do leave some likes, comments, just to see what we can discuss in the next form of videos that we're going to be doing. And same again, we discussed it in the last couple of videos about the actual refer a friend program that Alison have. Obviously if you want to sort of complete your digital courses, get your digital certificates, digital diplomas, if you do refer friends, then obviously from that point of view you don't have to pay for the parchments that are sent out. We do have to mention that obviously Alison do get their funds from things such as sponsors and also parchments, so please do, as soon as you can refer friends, if you can refer friends, please do. Thank you for watching, and speak to you next week.